Good morning, everyone. I am Mr. Saurabh Vaidya. Welcome to my channel, Keen Learners. Here we discuss about the new innovative technologies that are taking place in manufacturing industries. So, as today, we are going to see briefing about Industry 4.0. This video mainly comprises of four questions. First is what is Industry 4.0? The second one is what is the basic principle of Industry 4.0? The third question is why we need the Industry 4.0? And finally, what are the different pillars of Industry 4.0? So in this video, I am going to answer one by one each question, starting with the first, what is Industry 4.0? We can say that Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution takes place in manufacturing industry. So if this is the fourth industrial revolution, what are the first three industrial revolutions are? The first three industrial revolutions have brought mechanization, electricity and information technology to the human manufacturing. Now the second question, the basic principle of Industry 4.0 is by connecting machines, workpiece and system people together with the help of intelligent networks along the entire value chain that can control each other autonomously and intelligently. What we can see from the start of any production of the product till it gets to the customer, and the performance of the product is also been calculated with the help of Industry 4.0. To keep it more simply, it is a new value of organization that can control over the entire value chain of the life cycle of the product. One more thing I am going to add here, there are basic needs which will be fulfilled for industries. Mainly those needs are reducing the labor force, second shortening the development time of the product, and third is use the resources efficiently. These three needs to be satisfied for the industries. Now we are going to see what are the four different industrial revolutions one by one each. The first industrial revolution takes place with the introduction of mechanization and steam power engine, which has been taken in end of 18th century. Then the second industrial revolution takes place with the implementation of assembly lines that are running on electrical energy, which are mainly used for mass production purposes. This takes in late 19th century. Then the third industrial revolution brought the use of PLCs and IT systems for the automation purpose in the manufacturing industries. We can say ANC and CNC machines are one of the good examples for this. In 1970s, the third industrial revolution takes place. And finally, the fourth industrial revolution complies of the use of IoT and CPS, that is Internet of Things and cyber physical systems together results in smart manufacturing that connects the factories and people together. Now we will be seeing the needs of Industry 4.0 to convert the regular machines into self-aware and self-learning machines. Generally, what happens in the manufacturing industries, if the machines fail while working, even a smaller failure can result in the bigger breakdowns, which results in the loss of production. If we make the machines self-aware that they can report their failure to the operator and early state, we can solve the issue immediately and we can avoid the larger breakdowns. Then the second need is to increase the flexibility and the productivity. As the machines get self-aware, they can self-run through the previous recorded data and the manufacturing process can be made more flexible, which will automatically result in the higher rate of productivity. Third one is to improve efficiency and quality of the product. With the help of Industry 4.0, quality of the products get improved, and as the productivity increases, the efficiency of the process automatically increases. To improve the maintenance management with the surrounding interaction. As we've seen in the self-aware systems, if the machines can self-report to the operator, we will have a good improved maintenance management system with the help of Industry 4.0. Then the fifth, mass customization possible. Industry 4.0 can help us to manufacture according to the requirement of individual customers' needs. So we can achieve mass customization here. Reduction in the production and inventory cost to increase the profit. As mass customization is possible, we are producing the product according to one's desire or need. Automatically the inventory space required is getting less and the cost required for inventory has also been decreased. That will result in increasing the profit. Real-time data monitoring and the status and position of the product. These things can be mainly achieved by successful implementation of the Industrial Internet of Things (CPS), that is Cyber Physical System, and augmented reality together. Moving forward, we are going to see the 9 pillars of Industry 4.0. There are 9 different pillars of Industry 4.0 which will be discussed briefly in the upcoming videos. First one is Big Data. The second one is Autonomous Robot. The third one is Simulation. The fourth is System Integration. The fifth pillar name is Internet of Things. The sixth pillar is Cyber Physical System. The seventh one is the Cloud Computing. The eighth pillar of Industry 4.0 is Additive Manufacturing. And the ninth one is the Augmented Reality. So until now, what we have seen in this video is that how Industry 4.0 is helping us to improve the traditional production system into the smart, efficient and effective and customized way of production at some reasonable cost. Communication and working of machines together with the human touch can be made possible with the help of smart manufacturing machines with the smart sensors. It also helps in creating smart products in smarter factories. There are few examples has been shown here of the smart factories, how they will look like. You can see it in both the diagrams, how the functions and actual the smart factories look like, where the center of point is always the cloud computing. Every data has been stored to the cloud and input and output has been provided to the sensors and machines through the cloud computing. So here we can say that Industry 4.0 can change the way we look into the manufacturing areas and it can change the face of manufacturing industries. So here I can conclude that Industry 4.0 can change the way we look at the manufacturing industries. In the next video, I am going to explain the 9 different pillars of Industry 4.0. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe the Keen Learners to get more updates about new innovative manufacturing technologies. Thank you.